What's up YouTube, back again with another video, and in today's video we're going to be giving another Bitcoin daily analysis. As you can see on the 1 hour chart, Bitcoin is actually up today. It's trading at about $61,912, so we're close to that 62,000 price mark. So we are up from that we were hovering before over that 60,000 price mark, so we have gone up slightly today. Currently Bitcoin is still trading in this sort of descending pattern like channel. As you can see, Bitcoin has three touch points on the bottom trend line, and it also has 3 touch points on the top trend line. Bitcoin, the last touch point on the top trend line, you can see that Bitcoin is broken out just a little above that top trend line. We could continue to hover over that top trend line, potentially going not parabolic, but more of an upward trajectory, breaking that top trend line. But we could also make our way back down as seen with the green marker. And break that bottom trend line. Again, it just depends on the macro events pertaining to Bitcoin. There's a lot going on with the Clarity Act. There's still sort of conflict going on in the Middle East in terms of economics, things of that nature. There's a lot of other transitions going on as well in the world of economics to make Bitcoin's price extremely volatile. Bitcoin is still operating in a sort of like no rules kind of like environment. The Clarity Act is supposed to clear all that up, so it is extremely volatile. Proceed with caution. None of this is financial advice. I do want to give you guys a perspective on the 4 hour chart just to broaden your perspective on Bitcoin's trading activity. As you can see on the 4 hour chart, Bitcoin is still trading in a similar pattern compared to the 1 hour chart, this sort of descending like channel pattern. As you can see on this particular pattern on the bottom trend line, Bitcoin has 2 touch points followed by the top trend line, which has 4. As you can see on that last touch point, Bitcoin has breaking out of that top trend line just a little, similar to the 1 hour chart. There is a possibility we could see Bitcoin continue to go upward in trajectory, breaking that top trend line. But as seen drawn with the green marker, we could make our way back down within that pattern and trade and break that bottom trend line and dip even further. Again, it just depends on the macro events pertaining to Bitcoin. I always like to tell you guys as well that trading activity takes longer to implement on the 4 hour chart as opposed to the 1 hour chart. So price movement takes a little longer. Each candlestick on the 4 hour chart represents 4 hours of trading activity. On the 1 hour chart, each candlestick represents 1 hour trading activity, just to keep you guys up to date on that. But let me know your thoughts and opinions on my chart setups. Do you believe Bitcoin will continue to trade upward? Do you believe Bitcoin will have a pullback? Do you use other techniques to figure out your technical analysis? Any other indicators? Do you see different patterns that I'm not particularly seeing? Are you drawing them a different way? I would love to know those details. Please like, share, and subscribe. And you guys have a good rest of your day.